All right, guys, I'm standing outside of 4160 South Sarteano Avenue here in Southwest Meridian. I love it down here. Man, I've been living in South Meridian my entire Idaho lifestyle, and it is a great place to live. This particular neighborhood is special because the house is directly across the street from the park, and this is a finished new construction community, meaning the homes are new and they have all the amenities and condition quality of new construction build. So I think it's special to be able to buy into this neighborhood because it is kind of a tight-knit community. The homes are quality, and the consistency throughout the neighborhood creates some value stability for you. But I'm going to take you through the house here, and you can see for yourself. All right, out front, there's some nice bushes in the front yard. Again, I mentioned the park across the street. There it is, guys. It's a nice big park. There's a playground there. They're planting some more trees there this year, too. That's my only knock on that park is it's a big field, could use a couple of trees. But you can see this is a well-kept, comfortable neighborhood. This is a 3-bedroom, just over 2,000 square foot home. The builder is CBH. I don't care what you say about CBH, they build one of the most affordable, highest quality homes in the valley, and I myself am a believer. We manage this same floor plan in this same neighborhood, and we get a premium rent because the location is killer, and this house just wears well for 2,000 square feet. You come inside and you get a nice big open entryway. That feels good coming in. Carpet is actually in pretty damn good shape in this house. Beautiful open concept. I like that framed opening there into the kitchen as well. I could see dressing that up with a wood accent of some variety. Maybe put a faux beam across there. That'd be a really nice value add to this property at very low cost. But walk-through dining room, nice amount of space here too. Great kitchen layout. I love the sink at the window too, looking into the backyard. You'll notice in Idaho, electric ranges all the time. That's because electricity is potentially cheaper than gas here. And it's a low-cost appliance as well, so easy to get into, easy to replace if you don't like it. Nice big pantry, pretty good fridge too. LG, it's got the ice machine in it. Take you to the backyard real quick too. Backyard could use a little bit of love, but what's nice about it is it's already fully landscaped with an evergreen tree line there to give you some privacy for the neighbors, and those trees just do really well out here. They're hardy trees. You know, a little bit of bark over here and this thing will start to shine again. You also have a east-facing backyard. That's nice in the summertime because the house will cast a shadow on the backyard. You don't need a shade structure back here. And in the morning, you get that beautiful morning sunlight. Coat closet coming out of the garage here. Nice big 2-car garage. The height of the ceilings in here make it great for upper storage, so you can store quite a bit in here and still fit your car in. Really nice big living room here too. I could see furniture laying out very easily in this room. The windows make it nice and bright in here. I especially like these transom windows for some privacy, but also some natural light. Down here you got your powder room. No, nothing fancy, but adequate. This is a 2.5 bath home too. Nice amount of storage under the stairway here. I love that they call it the Harry Potter closet. Plenty of space for sticking your Christmas decorations. Nice big window in the stairwell too. It's always nice to have some natural light in the stairs when you can get it. Smart landing here. Great for a home office, maybe a home gym. You could homeschool your kids up here, depending on your lifestyle. Quite a bit of versatility to that space. You know, it's not huge, but it's big enough to do quite a few things up here. First, we'll take you in through the master. It's a nice space, guys. My guess is 14 by 13-ish. Maybe it's 16 by 14. Something along those lines. The vaulted ceiling makes the room feel big and sort of grand. And then you get a nice walk-in closet right here. Nice big window too. And then you get dual vanity. Nice big shower. Linen shelving built in. And your toilet, of course. And, having a window in the bathroom's a nice touch too. Let's see what the other bedrooms have to offer here. Again, nice windows throughout this house. Just a good amount of natural light in here. Really great storage at the top of the stairs here too. I love seeing that. You can't have too much storage. There's a movement in building out here to bring your HVAC system inside. It's energy efficient that way, and it keeps it out of the elements. Probably a 10 by 11, maybe 10 by 12 bedroom here. Nice closet. I'll give you a view of the park from here too. Really nice to be able to look out your window and see that well-kept neighborhood. Full bathroom. That's your shower. And then the third bedroom here. I mentioned South Meridian being an awesome location. You're just off of Locust Grove and Victory here. This is a really special neighborhood because of where it's zoned for schools and how close it is to the freeway and Overland, which has quite a few amenities in the area. Just a killer location. I think it's a well-priced home, or I wouldn't be here today. And I'll be hosting this open on Saturday from noon to 2 p.m. If you'd like to come take a look, I'd be happy to talk to you about the area and see if it's a good fit for you. All right, guys. This was 4160 South Sarteano Avenue here in Normandy subdivision in Southwest Meridian. Hope to see you on Saturday.